Hello, this is Mikey, and I want to talk about a brand new, extremely exciting free plugin called Faster Box Blur. What is Faster Box Blur? Well, I've taken the normal box blur and recreated it in an extremely fast version. It has all of the same features. You've got blur radius, iterations, repeat edge pixels, but instead of these blur dimensions where you have to pick horizontal or one over the other, we just have a separate dimensions, so you can do one and then just a little bit of the other, all in one thing. That's fast box blur. Now, why create a new box blur? I thought box blur was already pretty fast. Well, it is, but when you do a lot of blurring and you have a lot of elements and this and that, it starts to get bogged down. And so fast box blur in my tests is about twice as fast on a normal blur. But what's cool about it is the more you blur, the faster it gets. The bigger the gap in speed is. So like something like this, let's see, right down here we have, let's do 150. And we are at 18 milliseconds. And let's turn that off. Let's get fast blur on the same thing. 150, 48 milliseconds. So this is on just a piece of JPEG, but once you get onto like 4K footage, that makes a huge difference if you're needing things blurry or all sorts of things. The other thing about blurring is, as I've been doing more plugin development, blurring is kind of a foundation of so many different effects. They all take a blur of some sort. Sharpen actually takes a blur. Find edges takes a blur. All these things is different blurs added onto each other in order to create these effects. And if you start with a foundation of a fast blur, all of your effects are going to be faster. And so what we developed this for is for our new plugin that's coming out after this. This is the free one, Faster Box Blur, but we're also creating a new glow plugin called Element Glow. And this thing is blazing fast. If you've ever used a glow plugin before, you will see how absolutely fast this thing is. So what's cool about this is we have all of these options to really shape what your glow looks like. So we have this glow selection, and we've got this input field where we can choose exactly what we want to glow, right? The highlights. We want the highlights to glow. But what if we are wanting to do things based on saturation? Well, we can do that based on saturation instead. What's also cool is I can bring this up and down, so it kind of like really limits how much of that is. But if I bring this bottom one up, it makes everything a little bit glowy, adding like a haze to it. I can also right click and add in one more additional range for some very fine-tuned spots. Now this is a little bit insane. Let's switch this back to luminance. And so we can kind of fine-tune exactly how that glow is. And of course go in, invert the range, things like that. We can bring down the intensity, bring up the radius, and then we can also change the blend modes. There's a few different options. Add makes things very, very additive and glow. Screen is a lot lighter. It's good for more of a haze. Normal is going to be more of just your blur on top of it. And then we can do the same thing, which does that underneath the selection. This is not the best piece of footage for it, but oh, look at that. Now I want to show you what we've also added is we wanted to add a nice tint control to this so that we can tint the footage. And then let's say we wanted to have just this really amazing kind of a color. And look at that. Holy cow. This is so fun to play with. Really quite special. So that is Element Glow coming out extremely soon. And back to Faster Box Blur, which is out right now. And again, we used Faster Box Blur to create Element Glow to make it so extremely fast. So these are available at elementsupply.co. Go check it out. And I'm so excited to share this with you.